Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have these Desert Hawk HT3s. I just got done mounting these and balancing them. So let's go bring them for a ride. But this is the 235/55/20. But overall, let's see how the Desert Hawk HT drives and see what kind of road noise we get out of it. And let me give you some close-ups of the sidewall and then the tread pattern. So stay tuned. Okay, so that is the sidewall. And again, that is the size. And they are always, make sure you make this valve stem and the red dot line up, especially if you got a home shop going on like I do. And then the tread pattern, kind of give you an idea. So let's go see how this handles on the road. Okay, so this is the tires. I mean, we're going about 28, 30 miles an hour, and they are whisper quiet. So okay, so I guess doing two birds at the same time here. Okay, killing two birds with one stone, as they say. So you can tell how nice and whisper quiet. You'll actually hear the wiper in the rain versus any other noise. And nice and quiet at highway speeds. And in the rain, nice and stable, no issues. And as soon as I get some traffic passing me, do a lane change and feel how nice and it was nice and smooth, no issues with the rain, real nice driving tire. And here we are, another drive, the tires, and you can see the car kind of in front of us really pushing water out of the way, and you can hear the rain. Going really good. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there. Enjoy your tires.